You're reading your book, and then I go, hey Rob, and then you do your thing. Yeah.
But you're not there.
I know. Right, I'm just going to meet my friend Rob. Oh, there he is reading. Hey Rob!
Hey!
Look who it is! Hey, good to see you. This is Rob.
How do you?
Yeah, that was like wasn't staged at all, was it? Right, Rob. Coming to the Casa de Paris. It's a bit dark in here, but let me take my ND filter off. Dun, 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 dun.
Like magic, eh?
Yeah, I've got to do a bit of cleaning up. That's all the luggage. But first, we're going to drive to where are we going?
Perranporth.
Perranporth. So yeah, we're going to drive to Perranporth now. Not sure what's there. I'm going to do a bit of cleaning of the van, bit of maintenance, highway maintenance, and then they're going to do a bit of surfing. All right, let's get on the road. Rob and I just parked up, and look where we parked up. Like, we found the most perfect spot. Little car park next to the beach. A what? Teepee. Oh yeah, there is a teepee down there. It feels like in Newquay you're not supposed to park anywhere with your van, but it also kind of feels like no one gives a fuck about that law, because you can see so many people living the van life dream down here. Dream or a nightmare, you decide. Right, let's bed down for the night, get our shit together, and yeah, maybe I'll do a bit of a slow motion shot. We are in, where are we?
Perranporth.
Perranporth, and it's been a bit of a coincidental day so far. And basically, Rob saw on Instagram that I was coming down, and that was in Cornwall. Instagram, baby. And then Rob was also coming down, so he hooked up, and he needed a place to stay, so I offered him my van. So we're both cruising around in my van, and then we were in a surfing shop today, and then the guy heard that I had a drone, and he was like, how about I swap a drone flight for a surfing lesson? So I'm going to get a surf lesson, and then I'm going to film this place, Ticket to Ride. There's Drew himself. So we'll be seeing you tomorrow. Right, and now we're just going to go back to the van, get a place to park, and bed down for the night. Take an early one, because tomorrow it's an early day. Surfing tomorrow early. All right. So I'm watching everyone learning how to surf, thinking it looks easy, but like, I've got a feeling that it's not going to be easy at all. Everyone I'm hanging around with seems to be like a really good surfer. Like, Rob surfs, and his mate's a surfing instructor. Their other mate surfs a lot. The guys who we're with now are all surfing instructors, and the guys that I'm staying with in Newquay, again, are surfing instructors. So I'm going to look like an absolute tool, which is amazing. But, you know, they might be surfing instructors, but have they got a gold doubloon on their chest? No, probably not.
Okay, so trying to get through the beach to chase after Tom. I've got to walk through the incoming river, and we're going to go for it. He's actually running after the surf school. Okay, ready? Okay, now we gotta go. After Tom we go. Just ran across half of the beach. Trying to keep up with Tom. Oh, I can barely breathe after that. Quite exhausting because he's running after his drone, making sure he's getting the right shots. So, you know, comes with the job, I suppose, for him. Here he is, over here. Taking some shots, man, taking some shots. Oh, okay, I'm filming. There you go. Is it a really bad thing if it's zebraing?
No, not
Say something fun.
Do you want to hear my best joke?
Yes.
What's the difference between a lobster with big boobs and a dirty bus stop?
What's the difference between a lobster
with big boobs and a dirty bus stop?
and a dirty bus stop?
One's a busty crust station, the other one's a crusty bus station.
I'm a ticket to ride surf school right now. I'm going to get a ticket to ride and get schooled in surf. And I'm here with Monica right now. How you doing, Monica?
Yeah, good, how are you?
Yeah, she was just giving me some tips before. What tips were you giving me? What's the main one?
Keep your head up.
Keep your head up, chin
Look
up.
where you're going.
Look where you're going. And what else?
Shred, baby.
Shred. That's it. Brilliant. But I'm here with Charlie, my surfing instructor.
What's up?
He's going to be making sure I don't die.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll try to be back in one piece.
So do you have a tip? I got a tip to keep my head up.
From Monica.
Yeah. What's the tip? What's your tip?
My tip is bend your knees.
Bend your knees. So
what I
keep
said.
your head up and bend your knees. And then that's it.
That's not a good pose. This is what we call the poo stance.
So don't do the poo
This
stance.
is not a good stance.
Actually, Callum, you could do the poo stance really well because you've got
I don't think we should do that.
he's got a hole in his wetsuit.
If you've sold up your wetsuit, don't do the poo stance.
Come on, Callum.
Surf. Come on. Come out. Absolutely. That's how you look cool. That's how you look
You tried.
It's hard just getting out. Oh, Shaka, bro! Guys, thanks a lot. Ready? Amazing. Smashed it. Great fun.
You caught a few good ones there, eh?
A few good ones. And you look cool doing it. Yeah.
You don't sound exhausted at all.
Not at all. Not tired at all. Not at all.
Charlie's taught me the ropes. He got me to, what is it? Yellow. Got to yellow, which means
up.
I can stand up.
Riding waves, looking cool.
Looking cool was the main part, and then I started to the outside. Managed to turn a bit there, and you bloody jumped on my board as well.
Yeah, we did a pie wave.
Mate, but it was honestly, thanks a lot, man.
You did really well.
That was absolutely amazing.
Good first lesson.
Absolutely. And Rob, thanks for filming.
Yay.
Cool. That's
All right. How do you stop this thing?
Woo! Yeah.